things done. And we sent a very strong message to all of Bramton that we are going to continue moving forward, and it's all because of all of you and the tremendous team we have. And speaking about team, you obviously elected the best mayor for the job in the city of Bramton, but you also helped to elect a team on council who's going to stand beside him to make sure that things get done. And with that, I'd like to call my colleagues up who are here this evening. Councillor Hartkirt-Singh, if you could join us. And Councillor-elect Dennis Keenan, who is also here this evening. Come on up, guys. And I know that Aftar from Councillor-elect of Jeet Kaur Brar's team, her husband is also here today. And of course, we have Councillor Michael Paleshi and Councillor Paul Vicente. And so we are the team who is going to be standing beside Mayor Patrick Brown for the next 4 years. It's a tremendous honor to do so, and we're very much looking forward to getting things done for the city of Bramton and all of you in the city of Bramton. And so I'm going to ask Dennis Keenan as well as Councillor Singh to say a few words as well.
You sure? Okay. First and foremost, I don't even know how to begin to say thank you. When I decided I was going to run, I had some conversations with Mayor Brown, and I wasn't sure that I would be able to pull it off. And I know standing here today, without the help of each and every single one of you, it wouldn't have been possible. So not only do I thank you, my family thanks you, and if you watch us work over the next 4 years, the rest of Bramton will thank you as well. When Mayor Brown had told me that the Muslim community would get behind me and support me unconditionally, I thought that might be a stretch, only to realize he wasn't wrong. I've never seen a community come together so strong and stand behind not just me, but a lot of my colleagues now and Mayor Brown. And to tell you the truth, it is not just impressive, but it is absolutely unbelievable. This community does so much, and I will never forget what you've done for me. And I promise to work hard for you, stand with you. And again, just thank you guys so much.
Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. I just want to say it's an absolute pleasure to be here amongst many friends who work day and night in our election campaign. I see many familiar faces, and I've had the opportunity to work closely with the community, whether it's as a school board trustee and as a city councillor. And we accomplished remarkable things in our last term, but there was some issues, and sending the right team is going to help address those issues. And I look forward to working shoulder to shoulder with the community. We have lots of work to do. And me and ندیم, thank you for everything. You know, it's always nice to see the team behind, and nothing's possible without a team as well. And Mia, you stood by us. You were there during the tough times as well, and we look forward to working with you for the next 4 years as well. Thank you so much.